everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this video of logging in, I will be showing you how to draw arrows in chess.com. So for that, what you need to do is first open a Google browser on your PC or in your laptop that you are going to use for this. Now once you're done that, you click open a new tab and there on the search bar you type in chess.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official webpage of chess.com. Now once you're at the official web, you need to either log in or sign up. If you do not have an account, you click on sign up, and for sign up you need to provide your username, email, password. Now here you need to choose whether you are a new or you are already a pro in this game. You choose whether your skill level is and then click on sign up. You can also do it with the process of Apple, Google and Facebook. This will link your chess.com account with Apple, Google or Facebook if you choose these options. Now once all that is done and you have created your account, you can log in. As I already have my login account, I'm going to click login and get signed in into my account. For that, first thing is to provide your email address in here, then type in the password, then click on login. This will get you logged in into the account. Now once you're at the home page of chess, you need to click on play. You can play with a computer or anything, and then you need to choose a opponent. I'm just gonna go with the computer. Now once you're at this, you move your pieces. This is how you can make move on chess.com. You just click on a chess piece, then move it to the place where you want to. This is a one way how you can do it. The another one is you can just move it to the place by dragging through your mouse. So now for you to draw a arrow, what you need to do is you need to right click on your mouse and leave it to the point where you want to put this chess piece. You can see the option. I'm just gonna go with this again. You can see all. You need to right click on your mouse and leave it. This is a way how you can draw arrow on chess.com. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe to the Logging In channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.